Here I've got POPTEL F8 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down a bit and open security and location. Then locate and open fingerprint, and if you would like to add your fingerprint, click on next. Firstly, you have to set some backup to your fingerprint, so you can choose pattern, pin code or the password. Let me pick pattern. Confirm that you would like to do it and draw the pattern that you would like to have. It will be the backup for your fingerprint. Confirm it and decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive ones, or if you would like to show nothing at all then. And I will choose the second option. Click on done, and now turn your device around and touch the sensor. Here is the sensor, so just keep tapping. As you can see here, the fingerprint will be added within a second. Just keep lifting your finger to add the different parts of your fingerprint. Just a few more. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been added. Click on done to save it. So from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Simply tap with your fingerprint and that's it. Obviously, if you will borrow someone your device, he or she will be able to unlock it with this backup pattern. So that would be all. So you can add fingerprint to your POPTEL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.